Good morning. It's 3:52. I'm actually up for the workout this morning because Jordan just got home. Now, she got home late, well, early, because her flight was so delayed, but I'm glad she's home. Maybe we'll talk more about that later, but it's arms day. Gotta get a workout in. When I was done on the stair mill, I got into the bathroom. I was about to walk out. I was like, oh, I forgot the camera at the stair mill. Oh, man. Well, they're definitely watered in from all the rain that we got last night, so hopefully those plants survive, because right over here, remember, I don't know if you watched the video yesterday, right over here we're gonna have a little cement pad put in so that we can put the steps here instead of over here, which is going to be great because it's going to be more centered, so the steps will be centered where the deck is. But also, if you notice right here, this is in the way. Every time we turn into the driveway, you have to be conscious of this. And I've tried to squeeze by one time when there's a car here, and I kind of bumped this a little bit, but people have hit this, and like that bottom step was taken out. Like, it's just in the way. And the only reason it's there, I think, is because there's asphalt here. You'd have to put in supports here, like we're going to, if you wanted to do that. So that's the only reason why. But I'm excited. Oh God, legs! I'm very excited about the deck getting redone. Hopefully we hear from Eddie soon. It would have been great yesterday if they put the concrete in. Well, maybe not because of the rain, but they're going to need time to let it dry. So maybe that's why they're waiting. But we'll see. All right. I got a little bit before Sterling gets up, so we'll see how much time we got. Man, if you don't let the dishwasher cool off long enough, the silverware is burning my hands. So I picked it up, it was way too hot, so I'm gonna give that a little time to cool off. Hi.
I want it. Mommy's here.
I know. She's also very tired.
Why is there no mommy car?
Because Mommy got a ride home from Nana last night. Mommy got home at 3 in the morning.
That's scary.
Yeah. She's only, if she's sleeping right now, she's only got 3 hours of sleep, if that. So we're gonna let Mommy sleep. Yeah, babe.
Why don't play green on me?
Yeah, let's play on a flat surface, not on the couch.
I made the table rattle so these two died.
Oh no.
Sir, what should we do? Destroy them in battle. Start pouring.
Should we pull the whisk out of the bowl?
No,
Why?
because it will spill.
Right.
Do not eat this. It's really it has
Raw
eggs,
and
vanilla.
raw flour.
Yep. So do never ever eat this. Right, Daddy?
Well, you don't eat it until it's cooked. So right now we're making pancakes because I told Sterling it was a special Mommy Daddy Sterling day, because it is. It's Wednesday, Jordan's home, and I don't have work because it's my vacation, and Sterling and I are making pancakes.
And it's what Mommy gave me, a pretend flamingo, a stuffy flamingo that was named.
I forget because I didn't get it for you. Pancakes made. Sterling had like 4 of them. Well, almost 4 of them. Jordan's still sleeping, so she'll have some when she's ready. Made them without butter because Sterling didn't like the taste of them with butter. Well, he claims he didn't. But they're definitely less golden looking. They definitely stuck more onto the griddle without that butter. Bummer, but I'm not the one eating them. So, only 8:30. Got a long rest of the day to go. My digestion was acting a little weird this morning, so I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but I'm starving and I'm exhausted. Didn't get much sleep last night. Workout was tough. Yeah. That's Ethiopia, single origin, by the way, with some almond milk whipped up in the arancino with some monk fruit. So that's good. Finally getting out of the house. Got a couple of errands to run, so we're gonna be driving a bit back and forth here and there. But we'll see if I can, show any of it. And if I don't, then I'll just tell you what I did after I did it. Okay. hanging out at Nancy's. Had to pick up Jordan's car. Sterling was hungry, so he ate. I actually had a sandwich, so that was pretty exciting. Ended up doing a time lapse over there, and I forgot that it was out here, so it might be a long one, so I'll have to speed that one up. Ordered some pants off Amazon for Amazon Prime Day, because I'm pants. I go through pants. They just get holes in them. This is how it is. Also, my pocket's all torn up from, you know, my knives and stuff. But the next move is going to be to get the dog crate, put it in my truck, drive both cars back to the house, and then probably head over to Point. We'll see. It's a good day. Good day so far. Quick pit stop at home to refuel all the beverages and get the crate, get the one car, head over to drop it off. Oh, hi. My watch died, so I have no idea what time it is. I think it's close to like 8 o'clock or so. Jeez, we did so much since we left my mom's after we dropped that cage off. We stopped and got pizza and wings from Four Boys. Delicious. We tried this new pepperoni, wood-fired pizza, pepperoni white. So white pizza with pepperoni, hot honey. Awesome. Blew my mind. I actually got a little extra hot honey, squirted it on there, and we went to town. On that. Then Sterling had a bath, and I did 30 minutes of cardio because, you know, I had to work off some of those pizza calories. And now I think Jordan and I are going to chill and watch a little something on TV or whatever. And then tomorrow's another day. Not a ton done today. I know it was a little condensed. I feel like there's not much going on, but that's how some of these vlogs go. But setting the goal of vlogging every day on this little vacation that I'm having. So that's going to do it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you guys had fun. I'll see you on the next one.